This article is titled Reporting Bias in Medical Research, a Narrative Review, and was authored by Heike Kolsch, Yvonne Beatrice Schuler, Julia Kreis, Beat Wieseler, Natalie McGoran, and Thomas Kaiser.
Reporting bias represents a major problem in the assessment of healthcare interventions. Several prominent cases have been described in the literature, for example, in the reporting of trials of antidepressants, class 1 antiarrhythmic drugs, and selective COX-2 inhibitors. The aim of this narrative review is to gain an overview of reporting bias in the medical literature, focusing on publication bias and selective outcome reporting. We identified reporting bias in 40 indications comprising around 50 different pharmacological, surgical, vacuum-assisted closure therapy, diagnostic, ultrasound, and preventive, cancer vaccines, interventions. Regarding pharmacological interventions, cases of reporting bias were, for example, identified in the treatment of the following conditions: depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, anxiety disorder, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, Alzheimer's disease, pain, migraine, cardiovascular disease, gastric ulcers, irritable bowel syndrome, urinary incontinence, atopic dermatitis, diabetes mellitus type 2, hypercholesterolemia, thyroid disorders, menopausal symptoms, various types of cancer, ovarian cancer and melanoma, various types of infections, HIV, influenza and hepatitis B, and acute trauma. The ascertained effects of reporting bias included the overestimation of efficacy and the underestimation of safety risks of interventions. In conclusion, reporting bias is a widespread phenomenon in the medical literature.
We are article.tv. Links in the description below.